So here we are again. It's Saturday night and I'm bored, so I'm going to make another video. This time it's going to be about the Condor triple extended magazine, pistol magazine pouches. They've got 600 denier, I believe it's 6 or 8, probably 6, but still 600 denier Cordura fabric all the way around. Pretty much, and then it looks like nylon for the molly, which is pretty standard. Double enforced on the molly straps, which is nice. It's got little clippies and like assortments of Velcro that'll never get used. For example, I don't get this. It's got this weird little flap to cover up the Velcro, just in case you're using like shorter mags and you can actually Velcro it. But it's just weird because what are you supposed to do? Just like flip this inside and like rock with it like that pretty much, but tucked in? I don't know. I just think it's weird. Anyway, moving on. My only beef with these is these. So these are for the Banshee. I rocked the fucking Chris Spector Mag X2s. And right now I'm at a 45. It's the only reason these bastards are all empty. They're labeled for 30, but I can't stress this enough. They hold 32 to 34 depending on the magazine's mood and attitude at the time, which is a little unsettling because I can't understand the physics of it, but I like it. More rounds, good stuff. So anyway, but enough about these magazines. I've mentioned them in like every video I've ever made. What I'm trying to get to here, these little straps have Velcro on the back. Well, they have hook, and then there's pile, hook and pile, you know, Velcro inside the mag pouch itself. But the problem is, while as cool as that is and as adjustable as that is, you can run little mags, big mags, whatever. The stock photos had Glock 18 mags, and which I was like, okay, cool, these will definitely fit. These are like Glock 18 mags, blah, 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 blah. No, they're way fucking bigger, apparently, because I had to not only max out the extensions, which didn't fit still, so I had to take them all the way out and like fucking Mad Max sew them on. So that, and I mean Mad Max, I mean take a gander at that. That's beautiful. So I had to sew them on all about, I don't know, 1/8 quarter of an inch, something above the last hook there. And it all worked out pretty well. So now they fit and can be properly cinched down, and you're good to go. But yeah, so these mag pouches are pretty cheap. They're available on Amazon or fucking eBay. And I think they're like $17 or $20 a piece, which for multicam, Cordura fabric, adjustable, Velcro, Ranger School, all those things, I think it's great. Alright, thanks for watching.